Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Shopify business without having a registered company so you can start selling online quickly and safely in 2026. Many people think you need a formal company to start a Shopify store, but that's not always the case. You can operate as an individual or sole proprietor, and Shopify allows you to collect payments and sell legally in most regions. First, create your Shopify account and choose a plan that suits your needs. Even as an individual, you can access all the essential features to run your store professionally. Next, set up your business details carefully. Use your personal name and address if you don't have a company, and ensure your email and contact information are accurate. Shopify uses this information for invoices, payments, and notifications, so it must be correct. Now, connect a payment gateway. Even without a company, Shopify payments or other gateways like PayPal will work if you provide valid personal information and bank account details. Yeah, this step is crucial to start accepting payments. Design your store professionally. Add products, clear images, and detailed descriptions. Even if you don't have a registered company, customers trust a clean and organized store over a sloppy one. Next, set up your store policies. Include clear refund, shipping, and privacy policies. Shopify requires this, and it also builds trust with your customers. If local laws require you to register for tax purposes, make sure to comply. Some countries allow individuals to sell without a company, but you may still need a tax ID or VAT number depending on your location. Finally, launch your store and start marketing. Use social media, SEO, and simple ad campaigns to reach your first customers. Even without a company, you can grow and scale if you focus on good products and customer service. So that's how to set up a Shopify business without a registered company in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials and online business tips, and I'll see you in the next one.